My 2-minute conviction today, guys, is whenever you see anger on the outside, it is normally typical of pain going on the inside. And I think this is not lost on us. We all have our own experience around this. We feel angry when we have been wounded or deeply hurt, when the offense takes root right in the heart. And anger is sometimes just the expression of the pain that we're experiencing. And in our leadership, when we are in those confrontations and people get angry, I think we need to recognize how to manage that. And I'm really trying to develop 3 disciplines when I see anger on the other side of the table or in the other party in the conversation. And number 1 is to show a genuine, authentic curiosity, to ask sensitive questions, to follow a line of inquiry as to what might be so painful that they would respond or react that way. Number 2, I want to practice empathy. I actually want to feel something about what it is they're experiencing. I want to understand that emotion the best of my ability so that I can relate to that pain. And number 3, I really want to find one thing I can do that will help lessen the pain. Not fix the anger, but bring comfort, hope, or some sort of resolve to the deep feeling of woundedness that person has. I think I've spent most of my career trying to fix the anger, when really if I had addressed the pain that seems to be sitting underneath and fueling that anger, I would have gone further, faster. True at work, true at home. In my own personal world, it's a reflection I'm starting to come to terms with. So that's my 2-minute conviction. When you see anger on the outside, there's almost always pain on the inside. Have a great week.